Okay, let's try this. I need to make another chicken feeder for my chickens while I'm gone. And I had two like 35-gallon trash cans or something that I converted into feeders. Very simple. I left the pin part open and the cows got in there and destroyed one of them. So that's that. I need to make another one. I happen to have these barrels. Yes, I started. I happen to have these pickle barrels and I figured that's pretty durable. The problem I had with one of the, well, both of the trash cans was water got in. One of the main ones was the lid. The other one was where I drilled a hole. So the neat thing about this pickle barrel is it has a screw-on lid. That's great. It's going to help out a lot. The other problem is the wind. And secondly, I don't have the right hole saw for the holes that I'm putting in here. So I got the biggest one that I could find for the pipes. So this one here is a 2-inch, nope, this is a 3-inch pipe. This is a used one. I do put silicone around them, and I did actually cut it away like that because I got it too close to the bottom and I wanted food to fall in. I'm not going to have that problem this time, but I could still use it like this. So I used the biggest hole I had, which was a 3-inch hole, but as you know, the name on this is really the inside diameter. So I just need to get a little bit bigger. The other side has more of a hole to open up on because I only had like a 2 1/4 and I'm using a 2-inch. Yep. So, and the problem is this part's pretty thick here. So now I could shave that down. That's always a possibility if I have to, but we'll come to that one in a minute. So I'm thinking, how am I going to fix this? These are a little thicker than the trash cans, so cutting them with a knife is kind of hard, a little bit dangerous. I feel like I'm accident prone today. So I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try some heat. So let me heat this up and see if I can make it pliable enough to ram that thing in there. And hopefully when it cools down, it'll kind of cure right around it, hopefully not cracking it. Let's see if that works. Might take a minute to heat this up. Oh, that's gonna have a little bit of heating to do. Hopefully I got enough. Oh, I don't even have enough battery on this thing. I thought I did. Let's go with the smaller battery. I don't like using these small batteries with things that take a lot of energy, but this one's full. Man, that doesn't sound good. Oh, wow, it's already sucked that down to nothing. All right, let me fix my battery situation. Stand by. All right, it's windy. It's very windy. Battery situation, not working out real well, but I got something better. Watch this. Use a little torch. See how this works? Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. Like a glove. I should have taken that silicone off. That's stupid. Man, that was fast. I like that. Beats the battery any day. All right, good. Now, the only thing is, I wish that because see, this lets the water right in. So if I was able to, I almost wish I could push it from the inside out so this curls out. Woo, still a little toasty. Oh well, I'll put more silicone on it. Hopefully when that, now look at that, see? Right there is the problem. And I can't reach in there. Let's try. Hey, I can. Ow! That's hot, hot as heck. I just need 2 arms in here. It'll look pretty funny from the outside though. Ouch. Okay. We're going to, ow! It's definitely cooling down. Oh man. All right. That's one. Let's do the other one real quick. Okay, let's see if that's enough. That's, oh, Oh, baby. I like that method. I might have to use that more and more. Look at that. That was so easy. Just poke a hole in there and then melt it. I like that. Those silly dogs. I'm glad Ranger tries to stick up for himself. Okay, look at that. That's actually kind of tight. Well, now it's loose, but it was tight in there. I like it. This one, I'm gonna put silicone on it. I'm gonna do that actually right now. So that's it. I'm just putting 2 on this one. I've put 4 on the other ones, and it's done okay, but I'm just doing 2. They have another one over there that has also 2. Now these little ones allows the chickens to get in. They can stick their head all the way in there, but the big ones, the turkey and the geese and stuff, can't get their heads in there, especially with that curve. But like this, they can get it. And that's it. That's how you make a real simple chicken feeder. And 55 gallons, it's gonna lock on tight, food safe, and we're good to go. All right, so I just got the feeder out here, and she was eating in it because you can see the dust on her head. I know, she's talking to me kinda. Anyway, you can see I did silicone it, and you can see the food's just right there. So they can get to it pretty easily. And then on the bigger side, you can see right there, and I did silicone that, but you can see all the food right in there, and it comes right through. So it stops about right here, so there's plenty of food down here at the bottom, so it'll always fall down the barrel, like work its way down, and then fill up here. They'll always be able to get some. I didn't really want to let them out, but I had to come in here and they ran out, so that sucks. Here's the other chicks. They look to be getting along okay. I'll let them out the next time I come, but they just need to get used to this area first. I'd like to see them eat, but I'm not. I just want to know that they know where the food's at, but I know they'll be able to find it. All that hay that was in there, they moved it down a lot. I figured they would. I'll give them something to scratch on. Hopefully it doesn't leave too much of a wet spot after it gets wet, but not too much rain in the future. There is some rain, but it looks like more cold than rain coming up. I'll just throw them some of this here. These are the bigger pellets. I don't know how they're gonna like them. It's cottonseed. The turkeys eat it, but of course they're a lot bigger. But they'll get accustomed. They seem okay. They're coming out a little bit more, and then of course the guard dogs, but they're not hiding off in that corner anymore like they were. So we'll see how they do. That one might actually be eating over there. Here we go. So they have water. Oh, there, see, sticking his head in there eating. So they know how to do it. Good. So I picked this one up on a brick just so they don't have to crouch down to eat. I can't get any work done without these critters. Give the camera a kiss. Maybe not. All right, so that's the chicken feeder, and seems to work out just good, just fine. 55 gallons of food there and 35 or whatever it is there. So that's enough for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.